We are about to unbox something I am extremely excited about. I have wanted to get my hands on a portable recorder for a really long time. Alright, that was weird. Okay, this is the Zoom H5 handy recorder. I'm sure all of you, many of you know about it. If you're watching this video, I'm assuming you know something about it. I have wanted to get my hands on a recorder for a long time. Right now in this video we are using my just the microphone in my camera, which is quality. I do have a studio mic, but in order to hook that up I have to use my mic, obviously, an amp to hook it into, and then the amp goes into my laptop. It's a whole thing. It's pretty ridiculous. Now it's going to be so much simpler. So let's take a look at the box here. Got a camera over here for you guys. It comes with some software. We've got Steinberg free bundled software. Kubase, I'm not even gonna, whatever, however you say that word. And then Waveblade. I've got my own software, so I'm not worried about it. SD memory card not included. That's all right. I've got one. So let's see here. We've got okay, H5 handy recorder. In case you didn't know, it's handy. All right, features: 24-bit, 96 kilohertz audio, 140 decibel SPL shock mount, shock mounted? XY capsule, right? That's these microphones up here. We'll get into that later. 2 XLR TRS inputs, very, very nice. So that does mean that I am going to be able to use my studio microphone with this recorder. Individual gain controls, always nice. Compressor, limiter, and low cut filter, very nice. 4-in, 2-out USB audio interface. Okay. Records in SD, SDHC cards up to 32 gigs. 15 hours of operation on 2 AA batteries. Package includes the HYX5 XY mic capsule. It's this sucker up here. It does come with 2 AA batteries. Look at that. Look at that. Zoom. You're not cheaping out. It's exciting. Let's see here. USB cable, always good. Foam windscreen. Okay. A case and an operation manual. All right. So let's crack this open. Let's see here. How do I? Yeah, nice little foam right there. Okay. Well, the presentation seems. Oh, I just gave myself a cardboard paper cut. We'll be fine. Okay, here we are. Check that out. Alright. Really? The box could have been so much smaller. All important paperwork. Okay. Let's glance at what we got here really fast. Okay, so lots of info here. Moving on. Okay, here's the foam windscreen. Wow, this is mangled. Okay, well, I suppose to work it doesn't have to look pretty, but ouch. I think someone put that in there wrong. I think it was probably supposed to go in like that, and I think somebody put it in sideways. Okay, well, there's that. Got a cable here. This is a more substantial cable than I was expecting. Wow. Yeah, that's maybe 4 feet. Here's the batteries. And here we are. Here's the recorder. Oh man. Guys, I'm excited. Guys, I'm excited. Okay, okay, it's got even, it has foam inserts in here. It's in a back. Wow, okay. Okay. Sorry, I'm very excited. Ooh. Alright, I'm not going to toss that like I did everything else. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. I'm just really excited. So this is what I was talking about, this microphone as something that's included. And the reason for that is it actually pops off. Zoom, the H5 has multiple different speakers, microphones, excuse me, that you can plug in here. Ooh. Okay. Goes on pretty hard. Ah, there we go. Thought I was doing something wrong. So, we're going to record. I'm going to point this at me and say something, and then we'll play it back and see what we got. Alright, so we're recording. Okay, let me turn this down just a little bit. Let's go to 5. Alright, so this is the first test with the Zoom H5 handy recorder, and we're just checking it out. Yeah. Alright, here we go. Alright, there it is. Let's play it back if we can. Alright, so we're recording. Okay, let me turn this down just a little bit. Let's go to 5. All right, so this is the first test with the Zoom H5 handy recorder, and we're just checking it out. Yeah. All right, here we go. So that is the Zoom H5 handy recorder. This was just an unboxing video. Really quick, we're actually going to finish this video listening to this device. So let's just get this set up for you guys. All right, there we go. You guys can decide how it sounds. So I'm going to be doing a review of this later, a much more in-depth review after I've used it a little bit, and then we're also going to be getting a Zoom H6. We're going to unbox that and review that, and then we'll go head-to-head between the H5 and the H6 so you can decide which one is best for you. But if you already know that the H5 is the right handy recorder for you, then I will have a link for that in the description. It is an Amazon affiliate link, so it will not cost you any extra, but if you do hit that link and buy something after using that link, then it does help the channel. Helps us buy more tech so that we can review more stuff for you and yeah, learn and enjoy tech together. So I have been using the same sign-off for quite some time. I stream on twitch.tv/Shintil. That was a very weird plug, but whatever, there it is. So if you guys have any questions about my YouTube channel or anything like that, you can just head over there. Link will be in the description, and ask me any questions about what we're streaming or what we're doing on this channel. I think I've covered all the information I wanted to give you guys, but the segue that I was trying to get to was I've been using the same sign-off as my Twitch channel, and it doesn't quite work for this channel anymore. So if you guys have suggestions, please leave me something in the comments. Also, if you want to check out the videos that are coming, subscribe and like the video to let YouTube know that you enjoyed. Just remember, everyone, whatever game you play, whenever you play, good luck, have fun, and don't die. Until the next stream or video, Shintil out. See ya. Oh, I've been sitting like this too long. I can't feel my feet. Oh, wow. Oh. Oh. Guys, the video's over. You're gonna have to wait for the next one. See ya.